Hello guys. Now, are you aware that the current chairperson of IEBC did not apply for the job? In fact, he was asked this question na alijibu akasema tuko na vijana wa cyber walimuapply tu walisubmit his documents and he was shortlisted na akakuwa approved akuje kwa interview. He said during the application time yeye alikuwa South Africa, so those young people who applied encouraged him na wakamwambia kuja tu jaribu. So me and you know that that was just a cooked up story. His name was submitted by powerful people in this government, and that is why his name went on to be again shortlisted for the position, ikakuwa approved, and he was appointed as the chairperson of IEBC. So from the word go, he is there to serve the interest of his master stroke godfather. Sijui kama mnanipata hadi hapo. Think about it. Kama unafikiria hizi ni stories za jaba, tafuta hiyo clip kwa mitandao, nitakuwekea hapa evidence kwa karatasi. Remember guys, we must talk about Kenya because Kenya is our business.